Hello students. So now we are going to discuss about the next salt, which is nothing but bleaching powder. Now in bleaching powder बच्चों, just एक चीज याद रखना which is important for your term 1 examination. Again, we are not going to do it in very much detail. We are just going to do the revisions of all the salts and basically all the things that are important over here. Okay, so bleaching powder, how is it manufactured? The preparation of bleaching powder is important. जो आपको याद रखना है that you will have CaOH twice, calcium hydroxide, reacting with Cl2 to give you CaO Cl2 plus H2O. And this CaO Cl2 is nothing but your bleaching powder. ठीक है, आपको बस इतना ही याद रखना है. अच्छा, ब्लीचिंग पाउडर व्हेन इट कम्स इन कांटेक्ट विद एटमॉस्फेयर इट विल लिबरेट क्लोरीन गैस. वो भी एक चीज अगर तुम्हें याद रखनी है तो याद रख सकते हो that bleaching powder when it comes in contact with air or when it comes in contact with the atmosphere it will liberate Cl2 gas and Cl2 is an excellent bleaching agent. एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज याद रखना, ब्लीचिंग एजेंट करता क्या है? ब्लीचिंग एजेंट और अ पर्सन हु ब्लीचेस बेसिकली रिमूव्स द कलर from any colored material or any colored cloth. Okay, so over here what you will observe is that whenever you're using bleaching powder, the bleaching action is because of the chlorine gas. So the bleaching action is the bleaching action is due to Cl2 or chlorine gas. And please remember, this is an irreversible action. मतलब एक बार जो कलर चला गया वो चला गया, वो आप उसको वापस नहीं ला सकते. So this action or this removal of color is an irreversible process. Okay, you can't reverse it back. So it is an irreversible process or an irreversible action. ठीक है, चल, let's go on with the next salt that we need to discuss over here. The next salt that we need to discuss is washing soda and baking soda. Okay, so washing soda and baking soda. अच्छा, एक ना हमेशा कंफ्यूजन होता है कि कौन सा क्या है, Na2CO3 इज वॉशिंग सोडा या Na2CO3 इज बेकिंग सोडा. ये एक हमेशा कंफ्यूजन होता है. सो विल ट्राई टू क्लियर दैट कंफ्यूजन ओवर हियर. सो फर्स्ट लेट्स राइट डाउन द हेडिंग वॉशिंग सोडा एंड बेकिंग सोडा. ओके, नाउ दो फॉर्मूलाज है बच्चे आपके पास. देखो, एक फॉर्मूला है Na2CO3 एंड सेकेंड फॉर्मूला इज NaHCO3. हमेशा हाउ वुड यू रिमेंबर? जिसमें हाइड्रोजन है वो चीज आप खा सकते हो. जिसमें हाइड्रोजन है आप वो चीज खा सकते हो. Therefore, baking soda, the formula is NaHCO3, whereas washing soda, the formula is Na2CO3. So, अगर आपसे पूछा जाए what is the chemical name of baking soda and what is the chemical name of washing soda, then washing soda का chemical name is sodium carbonate and इसका baking soda का is sodium bicarbonate. Okay, you can also call it as sodium hydrogen carbonate. It's one and the same thing. अब आगे देखते हैं, how will you prepare sodium carbonate या sodium bicarbonate? Let's see. Preparation again important बच्चों. Preparations, you need to remember the preparations. Okay, and I'll again let you know one very important process का नाम. Okay, you can just remember the name, you don't need to remember the exact steps over there. Okay, let's see. So how will you prepare NaHCO3 and Na2CO3? Firstly, you will take NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus ammonia. Okay, and this on heating gives you NH4Cl plus NaHCO3. अच्छा, यार NaHCO3 is nothing but what? NaHCO3 is nothing but baking soda. मतलब baking soda तो बन गया. Okay. अब ना यही baking soda when 2NaHCO3 यही baking soda if you heat it strongly, बहुत strongly इसको heat कर लो. So you take two molecules of NaHCO3 and you heat it strongly. What you would get is you would get a compound which is Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. And just notice, my dear students, over here, what have you got? Then this compound, that is NaHCO3, is baking soda, and this compound over here is washing soda. Okay. Acha, एक और चीज which is again a crucial thing over here is, I don't know if this might be a question that can be asked in your board exam, but yes, it has a very rare chance of being asked. बहुत rarely पूछा जाएगा, but अगर पूछ लिया तो क्या करें, है ना? तो हम लोग इसको याद रखेंगे. हम लोग क्या याद रखेंगे? That baking soda and washing soda, both of them are produced or they are prepared by a process called as Solvay's process. Okay, इस process का नाम याद रखेंगे बस. This process is called as Solvay's process. Nothing more than this. Okay, यही reagents use होंगे. ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ और reagents use करेंगे, यही reagents use करेंगे. But yes, we will remember that this reaction is referred as Solvay's process. One more thing, one more very important thing. Okay, see, baking soda and baking powder is something different. Okay, then baking powder is what? Baking powder, my dear students, listen carefully and remember this, because this can be a question that can be asked. Baking powder is equal to baking soda, baking soda plus tartaric acid. Okay, tartaric acid कहाँ से मिलता है? तो tartaric acid you will obtain it from tamarind. Okay, so टार्टरिक एसिड, और फॉर दैट मैटर एनी एडिबल एसिड, एक ऐसा एसिड जो आप खा सकते हो. ओके, ऑब्वियसली यार, अगर इसमें HCl डालोगे तो CO2 मिलेगा, नो डाउट, बट HCl हम लोग खा नहीं सकते. ओके, या सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड डालोगे तो भी CO2 मिलेगा, बट देन यू कांट ईट सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, राइट? एंड बेकिंग पाउडर आप केक्स या इडलीज एंड ऑल द फ्लफी फूड स्टफ जो भी आप खाते हो, उसमें आप यूज करते हो. तो ऑब्वियसली अगर आप उसमें यूज करना चाहते हो तो आप कोई दूसरा एसिड नहीं ले सकते, HCl नहीं ले सकते, H2SO4 नहीं ले सकते, तो आप एक एडेबल एसिड लोगे, जैसे टार्टरिक एसिड हो गया, सिट्रिक एसिड हो गया फॉर दैट मैटर. ठीक है, इसको याद रखना बच्चों. ठीक है. एंड व्हाई बेकिंग पाउडर इज यूज्ड फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग केक्स और muffins or idlis and all that stuff, because when baking powder reacts with an acid, it will liberate CO2. बेकिंग पाउडर होता क्या है? NaHCO3. एंड हमने पढ़ा है ना reaction of acids and bases में कि NaHCO3 that is bicarbonate reacted with an acid gives you CO2. तो वो CO2 दे देगा and आपका reaction आगे बढ़ जाएगा. ठीक है, तो that CO2 which is liberated, it gives that fluffy texture to your foods. Okay, to your food stuff. So let's go on with the next salt, the last salt in our list, and that salt is gypsum. Okay, now firstly, what is gypsum? Then gypsum is CaSO4 dot 2H2O. ठीक है. एंड सर, जब जिप्सम को, दैट इज CaSO4 dot 2H2O, जब इसको हीट किया जाएगा at a temperature, temperature important है, the reaction is temperature sensitive, so when you heat it at a temperature of 373 kelvins, what you would get is you would get CaSO4 dot half H2O. Okay. अच्छा इसको क्या बोलते हैं? So this is called as calcium sulfate. And what is this referred as? Then this is called as plaster of Paris. This is referred as plaster of Paris, or it is also referred as hemihydrated 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 calcium sulfate. Hemihydrated calcium sulfate. ठीक है. अच्छा एक और चीज याद रखना कि दिस हेमीहाइड्रेटेड कैल्शियम सल्फेट अगर इसमें पानी डाल दोगे तो रिएक्शन क्या हो जाएगा? द रिएक्शन विल अगेन रिवर्स बैक एंड यू विल गेट जिप्सम. तो वो किसी काम का नहीं रहेगा प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस, है ना. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू नो कि प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस कैसे बनता है? बाय हीटिंग जिप्सम एट अ टेम्परेचर ऑफ 373 केल्विन्स, एंड इफ यू put water in it, you will again get what? You will again get gypsum, which would be of no use for you. ठीक है. So this was all about gypsum and baking and washing soda. I hope you must have understood this chapter pretty well. Revise this chapter, an important chapter for your chemistry exams. And best of luck for all of you. Do well and keep studying. Thank you.